Today's featured car of the day is a 1971 Pontiac GTO Sport Coupe. And this one I filmed at the Dallas-Fort Worth 2025 Mecum auction, which was held in Fort Worth, Texas. And this one was car number T71. It's a 1971 Pontiac GTO 400, 300 horsepower V8 automatic transmission, air conditioning. And then I'll read off the description list that they have here on the windshield of the car. It shows the VIN and shows odometer reads 4,751 miles. Exterior color black, interior color black. Engine 400, 300 horsepower V8, transmission automatic. And then highlights restored, 400, 300 horsepower V8 engine, 4-barrel carburetor, automatic transmission, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, window sticker, original build sheet, PHS documents, includes build receipts, one of 6,421 GTOs built in 1971 with the 300 horsepower engine and an automatic transmission. And I'll have a picture of this in the video for you to take a look at later. But this was a nice car and pretty rare. The 71 models are pretty scarce, as well as the 1972 models. So you don't see too many of them. In fact, this is the first one. This is the first one that I have on my channel, to give you an idea. So even in California, they're pretty scarce. This one I had to go all the way to Dallas to find. And this one ended up selling for $44,000 at the Mecum auction in Dallas, Fort Worth, 2025 on Thursday, October 30th, 2025. And it was a good looking car with the black and a rare one, like I mentioned. But as far as the production numbers go, in 1971, Pontiac built a total of 9,854 GTO Sport Coupes. And out of that number, 2011 had the 400 standard V8 engine with a 4-speed, and 6,421 had the 400 standard engine with the automatic transmission, and that's what this guy is. They also had the 455 standard engine, and they built 534 with the automatic transmission and 0 with the 4-speed. And then they had the 455 HO, the high output motor. They had 476 with the 4-speed and 412 with the 455 HO automatic. And that gives you a total of 9,854. And then they had 357 total hardtop judges. And then as far as the numbers on the convertibles go, they made a total of 678 convertibles. 17 of them were judges. 79 had the 400 standard engine with a 4-speed. 508 had the standard 400 with an automatic transmission. And once again, 0 with the 4-speed on the 455 standard engine. And with the automatic transmission with the 455 standard engine, they made 43. And then they made the 455 high output engine with the 4-speed. They had made 21. The 455 high output with an automatic, they made 27. And like I said, that was a total of 678. And judges were pretty rare that year. They had 17 convertibles and 357 sport coupes. So pretty rare, the 71s. And I'm not sure what the number is of the black cars. I couldn't find it, but I'm sure it's pretty rare. Unfortunately, they had the other documents. I wasn't able to get those on. They didn't have them on the car. There was no copies of them on the car or anything. And as far as on the Mecum website, sometimes they show them on there, but unfortunately this time it doesn't look like they showed them on there either. But like I mentioned, if you want to, you can go over to Mecum Auctions, go to the Dallas-Fort Worth 2025 auction, This car is lot number T71, and you'll see that it sold for $44,000 on Thursday, October 30th, 2025. But that's today's featured car of the day, a 1971 Pontiac GTO Sport Coupe with the standard 400 V8 engine, 300 horsepower, automatic transmission, and air conditioning that was restored. And it was black exterior and interior. And it was a pretty nice car and pretty scarce one. Like I said, it sold for $44,000. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Car Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.